In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Microsoft Teams status. This might seem like a simple task, but it's an incredibly useful feature to master. Whether you're trying to focus without interruptions, stepping out for a break, or simply indicating to your team that you're available for a chat. Over the next 5 minutes, I'll walk you through the process step by step, ensuring that by the end, you'll be able to update your status like a pro. Let's get started by heading over to the Microsoft Teams website. Once there, you'll see an option to sign in. Go ahead and click on that. You'll need to use your account credentials to log in, so make sure you have those handy. If you've forgotten your password, no worries, there's a reset option available right on the login page. Once you're logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Microsoft Teams has been designed with user friendliness in mind, but it's always good to know where things are. You'll find your profile photo in the top right corner of the screen. This little picture is your gateway to several personal settings, including the one we're interested in today, your status. Click on your profile photo. You'll see a drop-down menu with a few options, but the one you're looking for is your current status. It might say something like available, busy, or maybe even do not disturb. This indicates to your colleagues what you're up to and how they should or shouldn't interact with you. After you click on your status, you'll be presented with a list of options to choose from. Here's where you can customize how you appear to your team. Picking busy or do not disturb can help you work without interruptions. Choosing be right back or appear away tells folks that you're not currently at your desk, and available is of course the go-to when you're ready to engage. The choice is yours and you can change it as often as you need to throughout the day. Select the status that best suits your situation right now. Once clicked, your new status will be instantly updated, and you'll notice the change reflected immediately. It's that simple. No need to save or confirm. Microsoft Teams takes care of that automatically. Changing your status regularly and appropriately can significantly enhance your workday efficiency and communication flow. It tells your team when you're deep in focus, available for a quick chat, or even out for lunch. Utilizing this feature effectively ensures that everyone's time is respected, increasing productivity and reducing unnecessary distractions. And there we have it, a straightforward guide on how to change your Microsoft Teams status. It's a quick and easy process once you know how, and it goes a long way in fostering effective and respectful communication within your team. Remember, the more accurately your status reflects your actual availability, the smoother your workday will go. Thanks for watching, and be sure to tune in for more helpful tutorials just like this one. Happy collaborating!